Okay. Now, first bone of backbone are the spine or the vertebral column. 3 is one only. This, what it is? It is a backbone. It's a very long structure, very strong column, okay, which is made up of 33 bones. Each bone is called a vertebrae. Each vertebrae having a holes in the center, which is stacked one on the other. One bone is on the other. One bone is on the other, like that. 33 bones are there. Through this, a tube like what spinal cord passes. Okay. Now, good morning, children. Today I am going to explain you about the backbone or the spine. In our last class, we studied about the skull. Okay, the skull. The skull is attached at the back, that is at the base, to the backbone. Okay, this is the backbone, backside. The backbone forms a very strong column at the central axis of human skeleton. It forms a very strong column. Okay, the backbone consists of 33 bones. With each bone is called a vertebrae. Okay, and the whole column is called a vertebral column. Each vertebrae is a smaller bone. They are stacked one on the top of the other and forms the vertebral column. Okay. Each vertebrae have a hole in the center. Okay. So, through that holes, the spinal cord passes. The spinal cord is a very fragile, delicate, long, thin, tube-like structure which starts from the brain and the base of the brain. That is, imagine this is the brain. From the bottom of the brain, the spinal cord starts and until the 33rd vertebrae, last bone. There are total 33 bones in the vertebral column, that is backbone. So, spinal cord is a tube-like structure, very fragile, very delicate, and start from the brain stem, that is medulla oblongata, last part of the brain, and runs through all the vertebral columns and near the last bone of the vertebral column. Now here the nerve starts from this, nerve passes through this spine to the brain, to the different parts of the body, and from the different parts of, they carry messages. These nerves carry messages from the different part of the brain and carry the message to the brain. Carry messages from different parts of the body to the brain and from brain to the different parts of the body, that is vice versa. It carry messages. Anything happens, all the messages are carried to the brain and from the brain to the different parts of the body through the spine, that is spinal cord. Spinal cord is a long tube-like structure which starts from the end of the brain, that is the base of the brain, that is the brain stem, and still the last bone of vertebral column. Okay. Now, our vertebral column is a backbone which is having 33 bones. Now, how the skull protects the brain. Skull is very hard. You have seen in our last class. It's very hard and made up of 8 bones. Now, it protects the brain. It's very hard and it is protecting a very delicate and fragile brain. Like that only, the backbone or the vertebral column or the spine is protecting the spinal cord. Okay, spinal cord is also very delicate tube-like structure through which the nerves passes. Okay, how the brain, skull encases the brain, like that only vertebral column encases the spinal cord. You understood, children? And the first bone of vertebrae is called atlas and the second bone is called axis. Okay, I will repeat again, children. Here the vertebral column is called the atlas and the second bone is called the axis. Now this vertebral column, because of the vertebral column, we are able to do the forward movement of this torso. Torso means from here shoulder to here. Forward movement, sideward movement and backward movement because of this vertebral column. Okay. Because of the vertebral column, our body, we can bend forward, sideward and the backward. Okay. So, vertebral column here, the backbone or the spine is nothing but made up of 33 bones, which is protecting the spinal cord. Okay. And the bones are one stacked on one on the top of the other and forms a hole through which the spinal cord passes. How the brain is, skull is protecting the brain, the spine, the vertebral column, the spine or the backbone is protecting our spinal cord, which is very delicate part. Through the spinal cord, nerve passes to the different parts of the body which carry messages, and from the different parts of the body carry messages to the spinal cord and to the brain. Okay, this is what about the backbone and the spine. Now I am giving you, for this lesson I did not give you new words. The new words are, you write these new words: skeleton, muscular, digestive, bone marrow, vertebral column, hinge joint, pivot joint, muscular and voluntary. Okay, all these are the new words, and I am giving you only one question, that is, what would happen if the spine were to have a single bone? If your backbone or the spine was made up of only single bone, what would have happened to our body? Where would you be able to move forward, backward, sideward? Is it possible? You have to write this answer. Okay. Thank you, children.